Well, I'm tempted to stay here because of the high winds, but I think I'm going to get on the road and just drive for a little bit into the next town. Fortunately, the winds are coming out of the southwest, so I'll have a pretty good tailwind. But yeah, it's getting intense. I'm surprised my chair wasn't blown away. You can see the wind made it recline. So yeah, I'm going to get loaded up and get the heck out of here. This was fun. I would recommend stopping here. If you're into ghost towns, this place is a trip. That cave was awesome. Well, it's time to get out of here. We're gonna brave the high winds. Whew, that dust's kicking up. Well, I'm gonna get on the road and see how the van handles in the high winds. I just don't like driving in high winds. If it's too much of a struggle, I'll just pull over somewhere, camp for the night. Back on the highway. Coming into New Mexico. That came quicker than I thought. Goodbye, Arizona. Hello, New Mexico, the land of enchantment. Well, we got off of Interstate 40, finally. Been on the road for over 6 hours. Heading for the Cibola National Forest. Kind of on this National Forest kick. So we'll see if we can find some camping up here. It's the ranger station right there. Must be heading in the right direction. Ah, this looks pretty so far. I believe we're going to be climbing up quite a bit in elevation. Be going a very short distance, but climbing up. I think we're just going to go up, or just going to be driving a mile up a dirt road, but I think it's going to be a pretty decent climb. Again, I've been using just Google Maps satellite view, guys. It is probably the most powerful map tool in the world right now. It is amazing. Use that satellite view. You can zoom in and really see a lot. A lot of these areas I'm looking to find camping spots, you literally see RVs and campers in the satellite view shot. So that's kind of a dead giveaway for me. Looks like we're going to be turning towards this trailhead. That came quick. Yeah, looks like we're in the right direction. Oh, do they have some maps here? No. Well, there's some... This looks like trailhead parking here. I wonder if that RV is going to stay overnight. Wow, they're from Europe. Tomorrow is supposed to be extremely high winds, so I think I might stay put if this turns out to be a nice spot. The only concern for me going up a steep grade like this to find a camp is wondering whether or not there'll be a level place to park, but we'll probably be able to make do. This looks like a beautiful area. Oh, this looks like another trailhead here. Oh, they got a restroom. Restroom and trash. No signs for no overnight parking there. I wonder if you could get away with it. Ooh, this looks a little rough, guys. Let's see if I can do this. Might be best for a four-wheel drive. I'm gonna see what we can do here. If it's too rough, try to turn around. This is a little rougher than I typically like to do. I'm hoping there'll be something to pull off here shortly. If not, I might need to just turn around right here. Last time I did something this rough, I believe, was in the Sedona area a couple of years ago. In the little Dodge. Well, so far, every little area I've seen that would be a nice pull-off camp spot, there's rocks placed in front of it. I've seen that in National Forest before. They do that to basically keep people from camping. So I'm hoping there'll at least be 1 or 2 spots up here that aren't blocked by rocks. And of course my concern is the first one that I see that's not blocked is going to be occupied. Looks like it's leveling out a little bit here. Not as rocky. Yeah, they've got a lot of this blocked off. Probably, I bet you these signs say restoration in progress. Yeah, resource protection. That way anyway. Come on, give me a spot. Well, I'm gonna pull in where I see this cargo trailer parked. I see a little loop on the satellite view off to the left here. I'm hoping that there's nobody in it. Looks just like a turnaround loop. Wow, this is cool though. I hate to just park right in this turnaround loop because someone may need to turn around. I think I'm gonna do it though. Let's see what else comes up. Yeah, it looks like about it. They got this blocked off too. Yeah, you know what? I'm just gonna park right here. I'm really close to that juniper right there. That'll leave enough room up there for someone to turn around if they come in here. I'm taking this. There we go. Well, I had to work for this one, guys. Yeah. Well, I'm so glad to be done driving. My body is feeling it. Like I said, I just do not like to drive more than a few hours a day. That was pushing it. I think it was almost 7 hours. But check out this spot. Got a nice view off the hillside here. That is a cell tower, so I got a decent cell signal. Be able to get some work done, get some videos uploaded for you guys. Probably gonna spend a couple nights here. Tomorrow was supposed to be extremely high winds all day, so I'm just gonna stay put, kind of tuck myself into the junipers here a little bit. Hopefully that'll break some of the winds. It's nice and comfortable. It's a little cooler up here than it was before I came up the hill. Very nice. It looks like my neighbors over here, they do have a cargo trailer parked here, but I feel like I'm far enough away from them. We've got a little section of junipers dividing us. And who knows, they may just be trying to reserve their spot for the weekend. Some people do that. It's kind of frowned upon, but who knows? They could just be out 4x4ing for the day. They may be coming back later. I'll be over here doing my thing. I am just gonna kick off my boots and relax in my chair, enjoy this nice view, have a cold soda water, and just relax. Yes, made it. You know, if this didn't work out up here, there wasn't any available spots, I probably just went back down the hill, parked in that trailhead parking lot, and hoped for the best. There was no signs for no overnight. If a ranger would have came and told me no overnight parking, I probably just would have asked him, you know, where's a good spot, and go from there. So, this worked out. Awesome. We'll check in later, guys. Well, I'm trying something new. This is a tortilla pizza. I just took 2 large tortillas and layered them. Put down some tomato sauce, some sliced onion, sliced tomato, 2 different types of cheeses, and some spinach. Let that get good and hot and see how it tastes. Well, there's the finished product. It's looking pretty good. I topped it off with a little bit of hot sauce. Let's give it a try. All right, let's go in for a slice. That's pretty good. It's like a very thin crust pizza. I think adding that second tortilla gave it a little bit more of a substantial crust. Not bad. Thanks for watching, everyone. I appreciate you joining me for the ride. If you didn't catch my previous video where I explored Two Guns, Arizona, where I started the video, I'll leave a link for it here. You can check that out. Otherwise, I hope everyone is doing well out there, and we'll see you very soon in the next video. Take care. Peace.